Especially today, I'm here to give a paper presentation regarding the mother tongue related with the students' development in our Tripura. So especially, before that, I'd like to give my introduction. My name is Dr. Narottam Debbarma. I'm the principal and chairman of Tripura Public School, Higher Secondary Location, Khumulwng, West. So in this regard today, I have a paper presentation. The title is Mother tongue is an important factor to develop to the primary education and the secondary as well in Tripura. So in this regard, especially in my paper presentation, I will discuss on the scenarios of education development of the past, present, and for the future education development of Tripura. It will be based on the ADC area, especially TTA ADC. The development sector, this means how and why we could not develop, especially our tribal people in ADC area. This is my main topics. So actually, before that, we should know in my view, especially according to my view, mother tongue is an important factor to develop our Tripura, not only Tripura people, all the peoples, those who are not having regional language recognized by the government of India. So the major problem of especially the tribal people of Tripura, this is the teachers, those who are teaching to the students, especially in the primary, even secondary level, they are not using mother tongue while they are teaching. But according to the Right to Education Act 2009, the government only given the power and even the rights according to the Right to Education Act 2009, Section 29F, Part 5. It has given that this is medium of instruction shall as far as practicable be in child's mother tongue. So it is mentioned clearly that for teaching to the students, especially to all the primary sectors, this means the primary level students as well as the secondary students, you have to use their mother tongue. But the ground reality, what is our ground reality? Here, according to the report 2016 in our TTADC, I have a report. This report, it is said total number of schools in ADC area 1714. This means 1714. And primary school 1493. Upper primary, this means the senior basic 220, and only on on a single one, there is a higher secondary school, it is Khumulwng Academy in Khumulwng area only. So in those schools, especially the primary school, here we have 1493 schools. So in this 1493 school, the total number of students, it was 65,661. And in total number of students, 73,040. And out of 73,000, or especially in if we discuss for the primary sector or the primary level, it was 65,661. So out of 65,661, there were 50,000 students only. What their condition? They all were the slow learner. This means the slow learner. This means those who cannot read, those who cannot write properly. But the government of ADC and even the state government, they try their best to develop to the students. But in my observation, that according to the government report also, this means 50,000 students, if they cannot able to read and write, out of 65,661, this means it will be 76% are like that of students living in our ADC area. So the ground reality is like this. But the people and the government, the ADC government and even the state government, they try their best, but no result. What is the main problem? Then why they could not develop their education sector? So many problems and so many reasons are there. Sometimes it may be lack of the teachers, lack of the skilled persons, lack of the educated person, those who have been teaching to the children, but they are not able to teach. And not only these things, my topic is mother tongue is an important factor to develop to the primary students and even the secondary students. This means this region also a part of vision for developing to our students. So that's why in ground reality, if you see there, how many of teachers in ADC area deploying the well-known speaker or the good teachers, those who can speak our mother tongue. This is the KOKBOROK. Not only here in KOKBOROK, it may be Mok, Rian, Rangkhol. This means Kaipeng, Mok, Chakma, Rangkhol. They cannot talk, they cannot speak KOKBOROK. But for them, especially, the government, what have to do? What is their decision? What they have to take? What is their responsibility? They have to deploy such kind of teachers, those who can speak the Mok language, Chakma language. But you see, especially, I will not discuss in deeply, but in generally we discuss. If you are going to discuss, then for those who can talk, or those who are speaking the KOKBOROK language, especially the related language like Riang, Koloi, Jamatia, we are related. Means our language is similar. This means we can consider as KOKBOROK, they can speak. But how many of students they can understand their teaching style. This means the maximum of the teachers, those who have been deploying in our local area or the ADC area, in the tribal area, 70% teachers are the deploying like this of teachers. They cannot able to speak our mother tongue, not only KOKBOROK, Chakma, Mok, whether they can talk, no, never. Then how we can expect they can develop our society? This is the ground reality. So this is the one kind of region our students, our Tripura students, they cannot develop. And this one, the government of India, Right to Education Act, already given the rights, but now also not implementing these kinds of rules, this kind of system. Whose responsibility is there? This is a big question for developing our society. And now, it is my request and even the recommendation from my paper presentation, my proposal or my recommendation for the developing of our Tripura people, not only Tripura, those who are not, we cannot speak or cannot understand the Bengali especially. Maximum teachers are deploying the Bengali and they can talk and they can speak the Bengali and they try to give the teaching by their own language. It is impossible. So my suggestion and my recommendation is, this means the state government and this ADC government, it is their responsibility to give the proper training to know their means our mother tongue. This means our KOKBOROK language. They have to be well known. Then they are able to teach to the children, especially those who cannot speak the Bangla. I'm not saying about the English medium school, those who are studying English medium school. Even you are studying in English medium school, but in the English medium school also, the students who are studying up to the class 5, this means primary level, the Right to Education Act 2009, it is given you, it is their right, you have to teach sometimes by their own mother tongue. So the system is there, but the government not taking in any of initiative action to give such kind of teaching, such kind of technique. That's why it is now also we are suffering. We have been suffering, and the students cannot develop. This is the main reason. So at the ending, I would like to thanks to all the team members of KOKBOROK Sahitya Sabha for organizing this kind of an important and valuable international seminar for the development of our mother tongue, which is the KOKBOROK and other languages in this crying big situation. Thank you. Thank you.